Welcome to Summarize Science. Imagine you're in a massive town hall meeting where hundreds of people get to propose questions for a panel of experts. But there's only time to ask 10 of them. How do you choose which 10 to ask? This is the exact challenge researchers are tackling in this paper, focusing on how to make online deliberative processes fair and representative for everyone involved. To figure out what fair even means in this context, the researchers turned to a concept from social choice theory called justified representation. In simple terms, it's a rule that says if you have a large enough group of people who all care about a similar issue, at least one of their questions should make it to the final slate. It's a way to mathematically guarantee that minority viewpoints don't get completely ignored. They then developed the first ever fast algorithms to grade any set of questions on how well it meets this fairness standard. With their auditing tool ready, they put it to the test on data from 12 real-world deliberations. They compared the questions actually chosen by human moderators against several algorithmic methods. The results are laid out in this table, where a lower JR score means better representation. The IP column shows an algorithm picking the best questions from the original list, while LLM shows an AI generating new summary questions. In nearly every case, the algorithmic approaches achieved significantly lower, and therefore fairer, scores than the human moderators. In fact, in half of the panels, the questions chosen by humans didn't even satisfy the basic fairness requirement. The paper also explores two different algorithmic strategies. The first, called extractive, is like being a skilled editor who picks the very best questions directly from the list participants submitted. The second, abstractive, is like having an AI read all the submissions and then write brand new questions that summarize the key themes. As you can see in this example, the AI-generated questions are often more polished and coherent, while still being highly representative. And this isn't just a theoretical exercise. The researchers have already integrated these tools directly into a popular online deliberation platform used in over 50 countries. This interface allows moderators to generate AI-summarized questions, see the fairness score, and even view a heat map showing which original questions are most similar to the new ones. It makes improving representation easy and transparent. So, let's recap the important points and what they mean for the future. First, we now have a concrete, mathematical way to audit and improve fairness in large-scale public discussions. Second, the study shows that well-designed algorithms can consistently select or generate more representative questions than even experienced human moderators. Finally, by building these tools into real platforms, this research makes it possible for future deliberations to be more inclusive, ensuring that the final conversation truly reflects the interests of all participants. It's a powerful step towards using technology to enhance, rather than hinder, the democratic process.